Hey guys, my name is Candace Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see today, I'm rocking some galaxy colorful type curls. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm starting off on dry hair. I know that the directions say to do it on wet hair, but this is only a 3-day-old wash and go and the curls are still popping and I'm not about to wash it out. Oh, also if you want to see how I achieved this defined wash and go, I'm going to put the link to the tutorial in the description box. Okay, so I have 3 colors here. I have purple, blue, and green. The purple one is the hair paint wax brand that you've seen all over Instagram. The blue and green one I just grabbed from my local beauty supply store, and the brand is Color Effect, and it was only $5.49 each. So all right, so what I'm going to do is basically I don't want a full head of color, if that makes sense. I only want certain strands to pop. I definitely don't want it to go all the way to my roots. I still want my roots to be black. So what I'm going to do is just go through each strand that I like, each curl that I want to, I guess, make pop and add color to it. So this is what it looks like. I already kind of opened them. This is the blue and green one. I already played with the purple one, so the purple one's kind of gone. But just to see, just to show y'all one. Ooh, let me see. Okay, we'll play with this one. I think I'm gonna do the blue. And then add some purple at the ends. Oops. Let me add some more blue. Alright, and I don't know if you can see it. That's one. If y'all can see it. I feel like it's not showing up that vibrant in the camera, but in person, it's real cute. I can see it. So this is what I'm about to do. I'm just about to go through, do each strand, alternate between the blue, purple, and green, and I'll see you guys when I'm finished. this is the finished product and I really like it. I think this is a fun and quick way to change your look without damaging your hair, and it came out really fun and really cute. I would have to say I didn't have any transfer or anything when I was putting it on. It didn't get on my shirt or anything like that, but a couple of hours later, after it dried or whatever, whenever I would touch my hair, I did get a little bit on my hands. I mean, it wasn't a lot, just a couple of dots, but I guess keep that in mind that I guess some of them will still be wet or the color will transfer, but like I said, it's not a lot. But anyway, also let me know down in the comments, have you ever used hair paint wax before? And if so, what colors did you use and what brand did you use? I would like to know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and also don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.